In this video, I will show 3 ways to make line pattern like this. Follow the step. First, make a line. Go to Effect, and click Transform. Check Preview. Fill horizontal move and number of copies. And then, go to Object and Expand Appearance. Make circle. Selection, click, and set align center. I will copy this. First way, selection, activate Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and make like this. Set this to non-stroke. And rotate. Click this if you want to change stroke thickness. Second way, selection and right-click, make clipping mask. Double-click to edit the stroke. Third way, make circle. Go to Fill Color. Click Library icon, Pattern, Basic Graphics, and select Basic Graphics Lines. You can choose one of the patterns available here. If you want to edit, selection and go to Object, Pattern, and Edit Pattern. You can change thickness or color here. Click Done to exit. Selection and go to Scale if you want to scale pattern. You can set the scale here. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.